All right, hello everyone. Welcome to Elliot Master Live Trading Channel. This is like the fifth time I'm trying to make this video. I am not an actor and I don't have a script, so it's all right. Well, welcome. My name is Philippe and I'm the trader in this channel. This is a recap at the end of the month. I'm going to start doing these every month at the end of every month. So I'm going to talk about what I did right, what I did wrong, and what I'm looking forward to the new following month. So October, there was 22 trading days. I traded 19. I should have traded less. I kind of got caught up in this is a new channel and I need to be trading. And there's days that I lost when I shouldn't actually been trading. There's days that I shouldn't have been trading. I got lucky. So that's something I'm going to be working on. Now, out of those 19 days that I traded, I was positive 13 days and negative 6 days. Out of those 6 days, 4 days was, I believe, another 200. And then I had two major losses. One was like 580 a couple of days ago, and then today, 780. Made a lot of mistakes today. Instead of scalping, I told myself yesterday I was going to scalp, and I didn't. I was going for these long targets. One trade I was up $700 instead of, raising the stop, taking at least 200. I didn't. I lowered my stop. Two other trades I was up $400. It's all on film. Go watch it. I'm not lying. So that's something I'm gonna be working on more. So I'm gonna be pocketing those scalps instead of waiting for those long targets, which a lot of times they come. It happens, but it's I'm here to just nibble. I'm a cleaner fish under a shark. Have you ever seen a shark take a bite? They're messy. They take a big bite and they just you know try to rip it. They don't sit there and chew. They're not clean eaters. They're messy eaters. And I'm the cleaner fish that's just going and biting that scrap and eating whatever the shark didn't gobble up. So I'm a scalper. So I'm going to be focusing on that also. And so overall, I'm very happy with October. We ended up with 4,697 with one contract. I think a couple of times I added two, but it was like 98% of the times, I was trading one contract. And that's what you need to do. If you're a new trader, if you're trying to pass your combine for the first or 10th time, you need to trade with one contract. If you can make money with one contract, you can make money with 100. You cannot be adding and trying to make, I'm going to go for 1 point with five, six contracts. No. Because if I was trading with five contracts, I could have made $25,000 this month, right? So, focus on one contract only. Okay? So I'm extremely happy for October. October is a very hard month to trade. September also. I did well in September. I did well in October. I won't talk about the other months because I was not streaming. But I started in August. So I have August, September, and October that you can go and watch. So I'm only going to be talking about those months. And what was I saying? So I'm extremely happy for October. Very positive month, and I'm looking forward to November. But November, I'm going to be kind of changing up things. I'm not obligated to trade. No one is paying me to trade. I'm doing this out of my own goodness, out of my heart. I've invested in microphones. I invested in camera to do this for you guys. But I'm not obligated to be here every day. If I see a day that it's not in my favor, if I don't see, if I see a day that it's negative 300 or positive 300, I'm not going to trade. I'll put up a video saying I'm out. And if you log in and see I'm out, you know why I'm out. Okay? I'm also going to be focusing in scalping. And I'm going to be more outspoken about having you guys either log off or switch to sim. So if you follow my trades and you're up $200-300, I'm gonna tell you guys, okay, if you're up, switch to sim or log off. You guys need to be consistent. And if I'm negative, also, I might either just end the day or I might just go and tell you guys that I'm switching to sim. I may not be switching to sim because I have a big account, but I'll tell you guys I'm switching to sim. I'll see how it goes. But usually the beginning of the month, if I'm losing, then yeah, I log out. But if I'm already up, two, three, $4,000, then I extend my risk a little more. But I'm just being honest. I'm not here to bullshit anybody. So I'm honest. Now, things that you guys should be doing. I'll tell you. I'm always gonna be honest about what I do, and what I do. I have post-it notes all behind me of things that I need to focus on and errors that I need to stay away from. Like I have a big sign that says "Don't get fired." Why don't get fired? Because I'm my own boss. But on the other hand, I need to remind myself that if I blow my account, I'm done. You know, so I kind of have to act like I'm working for somebody. And this is why I wear a tie and a dress up shirt because I need to make it feel like I'm working. Because if you're trading in your underwear, you're going to be more relaxed and you're going to take more risk. If you're acting like this is your job, this is your work, you're going to be more responsible. So, even if nobody's watching you, put on a nice shirt, do your hair, brush your teeth. Don't get straight out of bed and go trade. No, you shouldn't be doing that. You shouldn't be trading in your PJs or your underwear. You're gonna make mistakes. This needs to feel like work, like you are working. And this is why I wear a tie. It's not so I want you to think that, oh, I'm a professional trader. No, it's because it makes me feel like I'm working. This is work. This is my job. So I got a big sign on the side that says "Don't get fired." I got another sign right in front of me. Turn it off. Why? Because hey, sometimes when it's a big loser day, you need to turn it off because otherwise you're in that mode. Just like I was today. I knew that it's gonna go up to that target, and I was fixated in that target instead of realizing that what you're wrong. So there's days that you need to turn it off because otherwise you'll still be in that mindset and you still be trying to chase that loss and you just be adding to your losses like I did today. At the end of the day, I traded a 2 lot when I shouldn't have. I should have just said, you know what, I'm going to give it one more try, 1 lot, and if it goes my way, great. If it doesn't, no. Instead, I did a 2 lot with a 2-point stop and I lost $400 like that. Okay, so that's why I have a sign that says turn it off. I have another sign that says scalp, but that one was covered a whole bunch of papers. So this weekend I'm gonna clean out my desk. I'm gonna have all of my notes and signs all in front of me. So when I'm trading, I'm looking at them and it's reminding me of the things that I need to do right and the things that I need to stay away from. Don't they say that the craziest thing is someone that keeps making the same mistake over and over? It's something like that. I don't quite remember, but if you keep making the same mistake over and over, you're insane. You need to learn from your mistakes. So keep notes. Read your notes before you start. I have a whole bunch of charts, so it takes at least 5 minutes for my charts to load, and I read my notes. Today I read my notes, but then I was all caught up in should I trade, should I not trade? The market doesn't look favorable. I mean, it took me till 7:30 to decide to trade, and I got lucky, in the trades that I was positive, but instead of getting out, I didn't. So I'm done going over that. I'm still very happy about October, but you have to reflect in your mistakes, and this is why I'm talking about my mistakes, because if you're negative also, you made mistakes that you need to go and reflect and, tell people. If you have a losing day, you need to share. You cannot share only your winners. You got to share your losers, because otherwise you're going to keep lying to yourself, lying to other people, and if you're, I'm sorry, if you're a bad trader, you should not be trading. This is not for you. And when you're open about it and you tell other people, someone says, "Oh, you know what? You've lost 8 days in a row. Maybe you shouldn't be trading. Maybe you shouldn't be doing this. You know, you know, maybe you think you're better than you are. I've had friends who think they're great singers and they sound like shit. So share your losing days and your winning days. You need to be open about it. All right, this video is getting too long already. All right, guys. So great month. I hope you followed some of my trades. Hope even if you didn't follow me live, I hope you tuned in and learned something. I'm always, dropping information. I'm here to teach. I've been in this business for a long time. I got a Series 7, a Series 21. So I've been doing this for a long. I've been doing this since I was actually 16 years old. So I have a lot to teach, but I'm also learning. You got to learn to adapt. From February until now, it's been a new market. I've been adapting. Look at these range, 80-point range. That's unheard of. Before February, a 25, point range was incredible. Now we're seeing 100. The average is 40. And I mean, it's anywhere between 15 to 20 on each side, negative and positive. That's huge. All right, guys, I'm done. So thank you for tuning in. October, I may not trade Monday or Tuesday, or even all the way till Friday. I don't know how this election thing is gonna go. So if you don't see a live under my video, I am not trading. All right. Thank you for watching. Please hit like, hit subscribe, and I'll see you guys next month. Have a great weekend. Thank you.